Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Twinkle and I crochet. In today's video, let me ask you a question first. If you want to crochet a hat, would you rather want the top of your hat to look like this with a hole in the middle, or this, neat and without a hole? I know the answer is quite obvious, so what I have done here is I have created a magic ring, and this is an adjusting one. So if you pull this yarn, the magic ring will work and the gap in the middle will vanish. So let's learn how to do it. So for this, you will need your yarn and a hook according to your yarn. First of all, you will hold the yarn with your thumb, wrap the yarn around two fingers of yours, make an X. Now put the hook through the yarn which is under, and then hold the yarn which is on top and pull it. Twist it. You can see you have two hands of the X. The hand on the left hand side, you will put your hook through that and pull it. So this is how you have your magic ring, and you can adjust it accordingly. You can pull through the loose strand and then it will adjust the circumference of the circle. Let's do it again. We'll unravel this, hold the yarn with our finger, make an X. Now we will use our hook and insert it under the yarn which is below. Take the yarn which is on top, pull it and twist it. Now we will hold the yarn which is on the left hand side and pull it again. So this is basically a slip knot on your magic ring. We'll just adjust it a little bit and let's try to do a few single crochet stitch so you understand how this exactly works. So here I am doing the single crochets. If you do not know how to do this, I have a detailed video on all the basic crochet stitches on my channel. I will put the link in the description so you can go there and then check it. It is very beginner friendly and I have all the essential stitches that you will need to make any crochet projects. Now that we have done a few stitches, if you want to end your stitch here, you can just pull the yarn and adjust it. Now you can see the gap in the middle is gone. So that's it for today. If you liked my video, if it was helpful, please do like, comment and share. Also please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification so you do not miss out any new video that I post. Till then, happy crocheting!